What's up everyone, my name is Rishabh Gupta. Today we are going to focus on new jump rope trick called cross step. So let's begin. I believe cross step is one of the coolest jump rope trick. It is one of my favorite, and if you are able to learn this jump rope trick, your footwork will get better. With slight modification, you will be able to perform difficult jump rope tricks as well. To perform this jump rope trick in the first step, we are going to focus on the footwork without the jump rope. We are going to stand with our feet shoulder width apart, and then I'll jump and cross my feet with my right foot facing front direction, and then I'll jump again to the position where I started from, and I'll jump again. Now this time left foot in the front direction and right foot in the backward direction, jump again, come back to the position where I started from, and it is going to look like this without the jump rope. And the second step, we are going to focus on the cross position which we have to maintain while performing this jump rope trick. What I mean that you should be able to cross your feet like this and you should be able to jump. So try to practice this, and on the other side as well, cross your feet and try to jump. And the third step will incorporate the jump rope and create a routine or rhythm. So we'll perform basic jump 3 times and cross our feet and jump 3 times, and after that come back to the position where we started from and jump again 3 times, and then we'll do it on the other side as well. Let me show you what I mean. We'll start with the basic jumps and perform it 3 times. 1, 2, 3, cross. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. So we have to do it on the other side as well. So we'll again start with the basic jumps and 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 2, 3.
Yeah, she's got some nice long hair, and you know that she's a bad chick. All the boys stare, can't help it, it's a habit. Clothes that she wears, short skirt and a jacket.
So after getting the habit of this thing, we'll reduce the count to 1, and we'll start with the basic jump and cross our feet, keeping our right foot in the front direction. Let me show you. We'll start with the basic jump. Now practice it on the other side as well. So start with the basic jump.
Just wanna get her all alone on a mattress. I just wanna have it, I just gotta have it. Rumors all around say her body is fantastic. All natural, not a piece of fur is plastic. Head to her toes, yeah, they say that she's a latch. Yeah, the whispers all around say she has a reputation. Don't believe it till...
Now in the final step, we'll start with the basic jump and cross our feet and then uncross, and this time we'll cross our other feet and then uncross. Let me show you how it looks. We'll start with the basic jump. And that's how you perform cross step.
So I want a demonstration, and I've always learned it better with a hands-on education. So I need a private session if you get what I am saying. And they say that she's not easy, no, she's really complicated, but that only makes it better, and it's got me so fixated. And I'm not...
I hope you find this video useful. I'll see you next time.
So the game, I'm gonna play it, yeah. You got a body like